Hello everybody, I'm Storm here. Welcome back to Factorio. In the last episode, we finished up our acid production as it is by making hydrofluoric acid. And got that all set up and running. And so, after that, off screen, I went ahead and went over to our rubite and crotinium mines and set up mines there to take advantage of the hydrochloric and nitric acids. So we now have infinite rubite and infinite crotinium running off of this mine. That's good. Ooh, we got a real big raid group there. Now what we need to do is we need to send our hydrofluoric acid somewhere so that we can fire up the infinite givolite. Looks like we've already mined out some of the edges over here, so we need to get that all set up. Shouldn't be too hard, and I'll probably, again, do most of that off screen, but I went ahead and got the train assembled for the hydrofluoric acid, so it's ready to go. We just need to send that somewhere. And I think that the loading area where I wanted to send that was over here, because this givolite mine is considered part of this mine over here. Right, mine beta. So, this loading bay, which is currently named Wonky Physics, is going to get changed to mine beta. Hydrofluoric acid unloading. Okay. Oh yeah, we did have a little bit of an issue with one of our trains as well last episode, which got fixed. Alright. So this train is going to be at Manufacturing Alpha hydrofluoric acid loading. Wait till full. Take it to mine beta. Hydrofluoric acid unloading. Wait till empty. And then go get some fuel. There we go. And there it goes. Alright, so what we need to do is we need to start working on the next thing. And the next thing is going to be taking the ore, because we now have our mines up and running because we have acid to run the mines. And so then that is going to make sure that we keep ore flowing into the ore processor, and we consume the wastewater so that all of that processing can occur. And as we can see, that all the belts are running. All the belts are running, so that's good. And they don't seem to be running as fast as they could be. It looks like we're a little low on water. Purified water. Maybe we need to fix that a little bit. Yeah, we definitely do not have enough purified water. Okay. Yeah, we are pulling that harder than we're making it. All right. Okay then. I thought this would be enough, but apparently it is not. Either that, or we're just... No, these things are empty. Let's see. Do we have hydro plants on board our truck? And we have purified water here that we could use. Unfortunately, I don't really have anywhere to take that over here. I didn't really intend to bring that over here. So we'll probably have to build something. Okay. Yeah, let's see if we got 10 purifiers. Hydro plants. Alright, let's see what we can do. Am I gonna be able to get through here without destroying things? Maybe. Oh, nope. All right. Let's see. What, it's 6 in a row. Is it only these 10 that I have? Maybe only those 10. Let's see. These are single input, dual output. With the belt, which we don't really need. Not a problem, really. Can I hand manufacture 2 more? Nope. Oh, actually, before we do that, let's... clean this up a little bit. And what we would need to do... Go find... the water purifiers. There they are. Yeah, give me a bunch of those. Anything else we need to have on board before we head back? Probably pipe. Oh, I have some pipe. Okay, we should be alright. Don't really know. Yeah, I think we're alright. Oh, actually, there are some things, now that I think about it. Hold on, do I have them on board already? I do not. Okay. Oops. What we're gonna want is some powder mixers, some ore processors, some blast furnaces, some chemical furnaces, some induction furnaces, some casting machines, some strand casting machines. Yep. Because that's the next project, is getting all of our ore turned into plates. I'm gonna smash the radar. Now, what we are going to need to make is a couple offshore pumps. We're going to go with 12 of these. Oh, hold on. Did I have clarifiers? I don't think I did. Oh, I can make 3 of them by hand. Gotta remember to pick up some of those. Always forget something. Alright, and so you guys are doing water purification. And our pumps. Pump and pump. Actually, I think I will go ahead and connect the 2 of those. That's fine. We are going to need a tank. We should have... Yep, we have some tanks. We're going to put it down here. Yeah, put it there. Alright, we need power. overflow valve, and then those clarifiers. Three will hopefully suffice. Alright. Now I'm going to link those two, but we're going to run two... Run two pipes. There. Ran out. Let's see. Are we getting enough purified water through now? It looks like we are. Okay. That seems to have helped the issue. And yep, it looks like we're now running all of the sorters. So that's good. Now backed up on iron and copper. Okay. All right. So, now, back to what I was originally going to do. Well, you know, when you see a problem, you need to go fix it. Alright, and that is going to be... Ooh, this is probably not a good idea. And I just destroyed a train car. Oh, lovely. Oh, and I don't have the materials to go fix it. Okay. I'll have to remember to do that. And I just destroyed the locomotive. Oh, I'm just doing great. Absolutely beautiful. Just, bang up job. Okay. We'll just pretend that didn't happen and go about our business. I wonder if I could just drive through this wall. Like, Like, how much damage could I actually do? Let's just try it. Yep. This thing is nuts. Alright. So, now what we need to do is go do some design work. That's kind of the next. Get rid of all that. We built all that. Alright. Now, what we need to do is figure out how much iron are we actually producing here. What's the rates? Yeah, that's gonna slow down. Yeah, we're gonna start disposing of a lot of ore. That's just the way it's gonna be. That's just the way it's gonna be for the time being. Okay. Alright, so the numbers we are dealing with. Okay, there was something strange going on there. Okay, what we are doing is we are sorting sapphirite. We are sorting all of these. Alright, and we're going to be computing by factory because we have how many sorters, and we're going to assume that they are running at full capacity. I don't think they are going to be, but we'll assume that they are. The Grotinium is backed up. Why is the Grotinium? That's because the caloric wastewater is backed up. Caloric wastewater is backed up because hydrochloric acid is not producing fast enough. And hydrochloric acid is not producing fast enough because we have too much saline water in the system. Okay, I'll worry about that later. Let's get back to this thing. Okay. And I didn't even do what I was intending to do, which is 4 factories, or 4... Those are 1s. Are they 2s? Those are 2s. Okay. So you are 2... 4. 2... 4. This is just going to serve as my reference point. So that I know what my totals are. How much room do I have to play with here? Okay, so our iron production is 16 per second. Oh, we're only getting like 4.7 per second. Okay. Well, we'll see what we can do with it. All right, next. We need to make... Ooh, we could do iron. Iron plates from sheet coils. Is what I think we want to do, assuming, of course, we can. Sheet coils. Molten iron and water. We're going to have bare water. Ooh, we're going to need... We'll have to get a source of that. Shouldn't be too hard. Molten iron. We can do molten iron 3, which is with silicon ingots. Manganese. I don't think the silicon is really used for much at this point. Alright, we'll say we'll use silicon ingots. And we'll figure out how much silicon we're going to need. Processed iron, we're going to need coke and coal. So we're going to have to ship coal in here. And we're going to need a fuel source for the furnaces. I have to decide what that's going to be. If it's going to be coal or something else. Alright. 16 per second. To make coke. Desulfurization of coal. We are doing that. Okay. Induction furnace. Blast furnace 2s. Do I have a strand casting machine 2? Induction furnace 2s. Casting machine 2s. Strand casting machine 1s. Yeah, I think I have everything I need there. Liquefier 2s. All right. Now, we want to consume... Let's see, 1. Actually, what I think we want to do is we don't want to actually do the... No, we will do the plates. I was going to say it might be better to just do the sheet coils, ship the sheet coils to where they need to go, and then turn them into plates at there. You know what? That is what we're going to do. Because we'll include turning the sheet coils into actual individual plates as part of the production process where it is needed. Alright, so we'll do this. This is the way we'll do it. Alright, the sheet coils is the final product. It gives me 0.7 of the ore per second. Okay, so if I did 10 of these... of those. It'll be 6.7. 5 per second. 10. 10. That is... Now, the question is going to be also, how much silicon can I produce? There we go. Or how much silicon... That's steel. Oh yeah, we're going to need some of this to make steel too, so we can't use it all. Right. What we need is steel or silicon ingots. The only process we have to make silicon ingots is by... We need carbon. Sodium hydroxide, coke, sodium hydroxide, nitrogen gas. We have all of this. We'll make carbon, sodium carbonate, and water. Interesting. I don't think I need the sodium carbonate. So what are the other options? Just coke and steam. Is steam a byproduct here at all? No. Let's see. If we were to make steam... does it need to be a specific temperature? I don't think it needs to be a specific temperature. Just standard temp steam. What if we made a little bit hotter steam? Now, there are other ways to make steam. An electric boiler. Yes. I know we can make those. Now, at the moment, if I do this, like... per second. I'm just curious about one thing. If we were to take this... We could make over 30 plates per second with that production level. No. 18 plates per second. With a production level of 5 per second iron sheet coils. Alright. We'll go with that. We'll go with that. So we need 10 per second silicon. So... that consumes 10 per second silicon ore with this recipe. How much silicon ore are we producing? We are producing 7.4 per second. So we need to get this down, actually. And if I did 8. 8 per second. We could do not quite 8. Which will get me 4. Alright. And then we can always expand later as needed. Alright, and then we would need is steel. Alright, steel coils. We would need molten steel. We don't have manganese. Silicon ingots again. We don't have enough. Manganese. Might need to figure out where to get manganese. So we did this. Just straight up steel ingots. We then need to make iron ingots. How much will we have available? 5.4. We'd have like 10 per second available. So we would actually be doing something like 2. And that would consume all of the ore that we are currently producing. All right. We need to make sure that we crush everything. Yeah, we're barely using any coal. Alright, I think what we'll do is we'll get started on that. We're going to need to make the silicon ingots. That's going to be pretty much everything that we're going to be making. Alright. Well, we're going to go ahead and end the episode here. And then we'll work on laying that out. Well, we'll have to start bringing in... bringing the ores in. Right? Bringing the ores in. And then start building that foundry. Alright, but for now, we'll stop here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you next time.